Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the best strategy to secure a new Cash App account. Alright, so it's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time. Let's get into it. So the best strategy to secure a new Cash App account is to lock down security settings before regular use begins. You want to enable a strong security PIN and activate biometric authentication if your device supports it. Use a unique email address and avoid linking the accounts to shared or public devices. Turn on transaction notifications so that every payment is visible in real time. Avoid sharing your cash tag publicly until your account is fully set up and verified. Keep your app updated to receive the latest security protections. Early security discipline establishes trust with the platform and significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access or future account issues. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.